Hello YouTube, it's John, and today I have another unboxing. This time it's the high grade Universal Century Efreet Nacht. I sure hope as hell that I said that right, because I think that's German. I don't speak German, but yeah, this mobile suit is from the Gundam Battlefield Record 0081. Some of you might mistake an Efreet for a goof. I do have the Reborn 1100 Efreet, the regular one, and I do know that's from Blue Destiny. Yeah, enough about that. Let's take a look at the box. The box has some regular HGUC art. It's all purple. Nothing interesting actually. This is a premium Bandai kit, in case you didn't notice from the color. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Alright, that's pretty dark box. Get this bag open and look at the runners. Really nice dark color over there. It's a somewhat dark blue with a slight hint of purple. Regular Efreet stuff. And I think this is the only sticker sheet you'll get with this kit. That's about it. No other stickers inside. I don't see any. No yellow paper. Get this open. What runner might this be? More of the feet and the shin and the daggers. I think they're called kunais. Yeah, ninja daggers. And I think these are the parts for the arm, the armor that goes over the forearm and shoulder. Oh, here's a bag that I can open with my hands, so we'll just take a look from the outside. Gray parts for the inner frame, the joints. Well, sorry, not inner frame. There's no inner frame. Do not get mistaken. It's just the joints. Joints, hands. Here are more kunais and more leg armor and feet. I do think this is the shoulder armor. I could be wrong, but it definitely looks like a shoulder armor to me. Here's another bag that I can't open. Wait a minute, did I? Oh yeah, the poly caps are here. These are the poly caps. This is definitely the leg armor. Not leg armor, the leg joints, the knee joints. And these are all internal parts for the joints. Here comes the manual. Boy, this looks pretty damn simple. Why do these premium Bandai kits have such simple manuals? Everything's in black and white. No nice display of the kit. Oops, almost knocked my camera over. Just basic snap fit guides. How to equip the daggers. And his katana. Oh wow, I did not know this kit had a katana. Oh wait, it's on the box. Okay, silly me. Anyway, that's it for the unboxing of this kit. Can't wait to build it, if I have the time, that is. It's always work for me, and no building at all. I can't remember how many times I promised to be painting a kit and not actually painting anything. I bought primer and I bought some paint, but still can't get the time to be painting. Well, that's it for this video. Hope to see you in my next unboxing. I don't know when I will have the time to make another review. It's gonna be a long time coming. So see you guys. Bye.